In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to install the latest version of the application. So to start with, you need to log into your Power BI and you need to delete the old app and the old workspace. So to do this, you need to go to Apps on the left hand side and select the delete button. And it's going to ask you if you want to delete the app, press yes. And then what's really important is you now need to go to Workspaces, and you should see, depending on your Office 365 setup, if it's just the default Garage Hive one, you should have one additional workspace. So you'll have My Workspace, and then you'll have the Garage Hive workspace. So if you highlight over it and select these three dots and select Workspace Settings, at the bottom of the right hand corner of the screen you'll see Delete Workspace, and then press Delete. So now there are no additional workspaces and there are no applications. You're now ready to install the latest app. So you need to take the URL, which is provided by the Garage Hive team, and you need to just paste it into a new tab in the browser. So just go to a blank tab and paste in the new URL, and it's going to ask if you want to install the app. So just select install, and it's going to take a minute or so to install the app. Once the app has installed, go ahead and click on the app, and you need to select connect your data. Now from this screen you need to enter the credentials. These credentials are available within your Business Central. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this example. So Phil at Miller's has kindly allowed me to use his system. So you need to select the light bulb and you need to search for Power BI app setup, and then you're going to get these details here. So if you notice, these details are exactly the same as these ones. Tenant ID, company name, and instance ID. It's highly recommended that you copy and paste from this screen into this setup screen. And then BC1 and press next. And now we need to authenticate the app. So you go to basic, and this is where you type in your username and password. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to use an admin login. You will need to authenticate twice. And now we select data sets, and we can see that the data is now refreshing. So from this screen, whilst you're waiting for your data to refresh, I recommend you set up your refresh schedule if you want to keep your data up to date. So to do this, you select this icon here, the schedule refresh, go down to scheduled refresh and turn on the refresh. It's also recommended that you just add some time. So let's say we say 7 AM so we can get all the NPS data in. Let's do 3 PM, 5:30 PM, 7:30 PM, and then last of all just one at night, let's say 9 PM. And then you must press apply. So if we go back to the workspace and select data sets, we can see the data is now refreshed, so this report is now ready to use. The last step that I recommend that you take is if you go back to apps on the left hand side, scroll over the app and press this star button here, and this is going to add the application as a favorite, so it just makes it much more accessible for you. So that's how you reinstall the app. Remember, you need to delete the workspace as well as the previous application, install the new app using the URL, authenticate your details using the Power BI setup page within Business Central, and set up your scheduled refresh, and then you're good to go. Any questions, please let me know. Thank you.